Hello everyone, my name is Padma Yabwa and welcome to Easy Tech Corner, where tech feels easy and friendly. A quick question for you. Do you remember how coding felt before AI? For those of you who do, I believe you would spend hours on Google and Stack Overflow, copying codes, trying random things from different blog posts, and still get stuck with errors you probably don't understand, right? In some way, you had to learn troubleshooting the hard way. Most of us went through that. It was slow and frustrating, but we eventually built some real skills. You see, you actually needed some good research skills to be able to at least settle on the best Google result or link, and even settle on the best Stack Overflow answer that worked for you. That could feel frustrating and fun at the same time. Today, everything feels different because of AI. In this video, we are going to talk about coding before AI versus now. The good, the bad, most importantly, how to use AI smartly so you can actually learn while coding faster. You see, before AI, learning to code was like a long journey. We usually read long documentation, watched full video tutorials, debugged errors for hours, and even visited different websites just to make sure one small feature worked. It took time, but we ended up understanding almost every line. Now, tools like Cursor, Lovable, and Claude can write a whole function in seconds just from a simple description we call prompt. It's faster, more fun, and even complete beginners can build real apps quickly. But here's the thing, it's not all sunshine. You see, AI has evolved so much that it has become a daily thing. Every day there's a new update released by an AI company. Let's walk through how it has evolved till now. Just a few years ago, AI was basically a smart chat friend. You would type, write a function that adds two numbers, and it would give you the code. That was it. Tools like ChatGPT could answer questions and generate small snippets, but you still did the real work. Then things started moving faster. AI learned to help with full code files and edit them. Suddenly you could say, build me a simple login page, and it would create multiple files for you. Now in 2026, we are in an agentic era. Tools like Cursor and Claude have agent and plan mode where the AI doesn't just write code. It plans the whole task, runs tests, fixes bugs by itself, and even works in the background while you go drink tea. Claude Code from Anthropic can now use computer use. It literally controls your app, your laptop. It opens apps, clicks around, navigates your browser, edits files, and even runs commands just like a real developer sitting next to you. An OpenAI's Codex agent can run multiple tasks at the same time. Of course, Claude and Cursor can all run these tasks at the same time. Like one agent writing code while another tests it, and the third can even write the documentation for you. Some of these agents can even control your entire setup, your browser, apps, everything, and keep working until the job is done. It's mind-blowing how far we've come. But take note, the foundations still matter, so you can guide these powerful agents instead of letting them run the show blindly. The good side is clear. AI saves you tons of hours and helps you brainstorm and move faster. It helps you get things done very quickly. The bad side? Many people now rely on AI 100%. They copy and paste code without even understanding. So when something breaks in the code, they are completely lost. That's why the foundations matter. The basics and fundamentals of coding. They are super important. You see, when you know the basics, you are able to do so much more. Let me tell you, you are able to troubleshoot problems yourself. You are able to brainstorm better prompts for AI. You can guide the AI instead of letting it guide you. You can even review the code it gives you so that you ask it to even fix something or do it this way, or even say, no, this doesn't make sense, so let's fix it this way. And there are so much more. Here are some basic do's and don'ts to help you use AI smarter while you are chatting with AI or even asking it to do one or things for you. 1. Be mindful of the information you share with AI. Even though AI is good and it helps us to, get things done faster and even smarter, certain informations like your bank details, your financial details, your address, your phone number, and so on and so forth should be limited, or at least be very sure of the information you share with AI, unless you are sure of how they handle your personal information. If not, don't share, or at least use placeholders. Of course, you can share details like what you do, your programming languages, what you want to learn. If you're a content creator, you can share information like what topics you would want to learn, what topics you would want to even create on, and so on and so forth. That way, it can help you with some suggestions and so on. Secondly, put secret or sensitive information in a .m file. Instead of writing or putting your sensitive information like your database connection, your password, your database username, API keys, and so on and so forth in your codes, it is better to put them in your .m file. That way you can retrieve the variables or that value from there. There are so many libraries or even built-in functionalities to help you to retrieve those data from a .m file, so that your AI doesn't directly retrieve or read those files or details. Again, even whilst pushing your codes to GitHub, Bitbucket, and so on and so forth, you need to also ignore that .m file so that it doesn't push that data or it doesn't submit that data sensitive information to Git or GitHub, Bitbucket, and so on and so forth. Thirdly, never paste your real password or API keys into your AI chat or even while chatting with AI or asking it to do something for you. You see, while chatting with AI, if you need to use some sensitive information or stuff, you can even use a placeholder like asterisks and so on and so forth. That way it can indicate that you are talking about a sensitive data, API key, dash, and that is it. And then your AI will understand and then give you the result you need. Also, don't let AI read or write to sensitive folders on your computer or laptop. As much as you can, review every single line of code AI gives you, or at least ask it, why did you write this? Why did you write that? You can also verify online, and once a while, you can ask it, what is the security benefit or implication of this code in my application? Even if you get a code or a code snippet from online or from a friend, again you can ask AI to ask to explain what this code does, why this code does that, why you need to have this code in this part of your application. And with doing this, you'll be able to combine your old school fundamentals with a new AI power, that is troubleshooting, learning, and still coding faster. Then you can become a much stronger developer. I would want you to drop a comment below. What's one thing you dislike or like about AI? And what's one thing you've learned about AI? I would read and reply to every single one of them. In the next few videos, we'll jump straight into some coding practicals and basics. And don't worry, you don't need to have prior knowledge or technical experience to get started. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X at Easy Tech Corner. Thank you for watching this video, and let's make coding easy, smart, and fun together. See you in the next one. Bye bye.